What if I told you the next 60 days can completely change your coding level, your LinkedIn profile, and maybe even your placement chances? And the best part is that you get rewarded for it. Yes, you heard it right. We are talking about the 60 days POTD challenge powered by Geek4Geeks in collaboration with NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India. And this is big. Now, before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video for more such important information updates. Coming to the homepage of this website means the challenge. Here you can see they have clearly mentioned what are the things you need to do. You have to simply solve the POTD, problem of the day. Every day they will be sharing you some problems. You have to simply solve it, and it's just for practice. And apart from this, you'll be getting cool facts also. After solving the problem, you have to take the screenshot. You have to take the screenshot of each problem solved. Okay. And you have to post on LinkedIn. If you have LinkedIn, you can simply create it. It's very easy. Most of you are already having. You have to simply post a screenshot using these hashtag. Okay, you can copy these hashtag, and after that you have to just tag the official. You can see they have mentioned their official handles also. Now you have to repeat the same process till 60 days. Okay, if you are starting today, you must be seeing that it's showing 13th of February. Do not worry, the challenge is already started, but still you can participate because there is a deadline. Okay, we'll talk about it. So you have to consequently post till 60 days. Okay, and you have to keep all your screenshot for verification. So what you can do, once you take the screenshot, instead of deleting, you can create a folder. I can simply upload to Google Drive, etc. On 60 day means on the final day, you have to make a post. Okay, you have to make a final post like how this challenge helped you in completing, means being consistent. Like this you can mention over there. You can take the help from the AI to generate your post, but do not blindly copy it. And you have to attach these hashtags, and then you will be eligible for getting the goodies. Now here you must know these important timelines. Whether you are watching this video on 14th of February, I think I'm making in 15th, so whether you are watching on 16th of February or 18th of February or even 19th, then also you can take part on it. You are having a 7-day window. You are having this window, means 7, not 6 or 5th day. So you can try your luck and complete this challenge. After 19th, you won't be able to compete and get the swags. Now, if you are already completing POTD challenges, most of you are already completing. So in that case, you can share the existing streak. You need to just add these hashtag, both the hashtag which I have mentioned, and you can see they are having their means tags also. You can tag them on LinkedIn by writing the post. So after that, what will happen after 60 days, once you make this final post, they'll do verification. And on 27th of April, they'll be sending you a Google form to fill all your details. I hope they'll ask for LinkedIn posts, etc., and maybe some verification screenshot, etc. Mostly they will ask address details. Once you are eligible, they'll be giving you form, and after that you submit all your details. Okay, entries will be verified and goodies will be shipped to you. You are getting NPCI tumbler, bag, keychain, pop socket, etc. So take the benefit of this event, and let's me show you how to start this event. So simply you have to do one thing. Click on this Geek4Geeks POTD, open in a new tab. Now simply just do one thing, right click and open in a new tab. Okay, now here you have to simply click on sign in, and it will ask you if you are new, you just enter all the details. You can simply continue with Google also. There is not a simple. Okay, it's very simple process. If you want to register, you can just register also, or you can just continue with Google. It will just fetch your email address. Okay, if you are having multiple email address, you can just select it. Once you have selected and you are signed in, you can see this is the problem. Now here you need to understand, here you'll see 14 February, 13 or 12. If you want to do for practice, you can do it, but from the day you are starting the challenge, means if you are watching this video on 16, 17, you have to solve that day's problem only. Okay, you cannot claim points for previous challenge. What I mean to say that if you are starting this challenge on 16th of February, then you have to complete from 16 till 60 days. Okay, not from you have to count backward. Means if you're starting from 16th, it will start from 16th only. If you think that if I complete 14th, 13th or 12th February challenge, will it be counted? It won't be counted. So you have to start on the same day which you are registering. Now how to solve the problem? You have to simply click on solve problem. And here you can see all these questions are there. There are some examples. And here you have to simply enter your code. Okay, let me show you a sample example. Now how to solve the problem, let me just show you. So we are solving it for day 15, okay, February 15. So I'm just clicking on solve problem. Like this, whenever you are watching, you have to just follow the same tip, same steps every day. Now just click on solve problem. Here you can see these are the questions. You have to understand the questions and understand the examples. And after that, you can just, this is our compiler where we have to learn and submit over here. You can see if you are interested in Java, Python, JavaScript, or directly Java or C++, you can use accordingly. Okay. If you want a timer to just test your speed, you can add timer also. Now how to do? I have already prepared the code. Here you can just simply add the code, or if you want a special Telegram group which will help you to complete the challenges, you can comment down below. I'll update daily POTD over there. Okay. So I'll link the Telegram group also in the description. You can check it out, or let me know in the comment section whether you want it or not. Now for the solutions, I have already prepared the solution, so I'm just selecting it. Like this, you have to just fill all the details. Okay, you have to just solve it. And once you have successfully solved the code, okay, once you have solved this question, then simply click on compile run. And first of all, you have to verify that you are getting the output or not. Once you are getting the output, then only submit it. Otherwise, it will face some issue. Then click on submit over here. So you can see we got our first coin, and you can see current streak is 1. So like this, you have to do these challenges daily. And once you have submitted all the things, how you have to attach the screenshot. Now once you have completed this and you are getting the points scored, just open any sniping tool or take the screenshot. Okay, you can do this thing with mobile phone also, no laptop is required. Okay, simply take the screenshot of the entire window, or you can just club it into two parts. Like one part will be the output window and one part will be solution window, depending on your ease of access. I'm just using this for your sample understanding, so I'm just copying it and just downloading it to my local system. Now simply click on this to save. You can simply save it. For ease of convenience, you can just type the day, okay, whichever day you have started, for example, day 1, and just save it to your local system. Now, once the file is successfully saved, you need to open the LinkedIn, okay. Now you have to open LinkedIn over here. Okay, it's very simple. Just open linkedin.com and create your account. Now here you have to upload the photograph which you have taken as screenshot. One more screenshot you can take if you want. You can take of this problem of the day and take the screenshot from here and just save it. If you want, there is no issue. And just simply download it, day 1p. So this thing you have done successfully. Now here you have to type a text. So for the text, this is a sample text. You can simply mention over here like this and tag all the people. Okay. So let's come over here and just add these hashtags. Okay. Add these hashtags over here, first of all, and add this hashtag also. So after that, we have to tag them with their official handles. So just copy this, paste over here, and just copy GeeksforGeeks. Okay, if it is not working, you need to just come over here and select it. And for this also, just select this. Okay, once you have selected all these things, now it's time to upload the image. So for uploading, click on add media and just upload the files where you have downloaded. So from here, we are just uploading the day 1. Both the images have been successfully added. We have added the text properly and all things are there correctly. Now you have to simply post it. Now once you have successfully posted it, you are done with the part. Now you have to keep posting till 60 days to be eligible for the getting the swags. I'll be posting throughout the journey. And if you need the code, means if you need any help in solving the problem of day solutions, you can comment down below. I have attached the Telegram group link. You can just check it out. I'll be sharing the important updates over there also. So do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye. And do not worry, everything will be there. And if you're interested in other events like Google Cloud Arcade, for that also you can check the channel. Multiple challenges are already live on the channel. How to participate, how to get the goodies, just check the description. You'll find everything in detail. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.